Statistics is important for our work to showcase the industry development and role in the labor market. Good data is very important for our advocacy work. I'm therefore pleased to introduce the data collection guide, the fourth playbook for national federations. It's developed by the Economic Affairs Committee and the head office, and takes into account input from member federations at 2 workshops held in 2019. The guide will help our members to lift their capacity in data collection. Now I pass to Robin to tell you more.
The data collection guide takes a deep dive into challenges you might face in the field of data collection and offers various solutions identified by WEC members. May it be limited resources to spend on research, a low response rate to surveys, or gathering data in an anonymous and trusted way. You will also find useful resources in the guide's annex, such as definitions of key indicators, a questionnaire template, or a list of data collection tools. So explore the guide and stay tuned for more content in the coming weeks.